Hi everyone. Okay, I have a lot of unboxings to do right now. This is the Spellbinders card kit and it is called Stay Wild. So let's see what we get. This is the card kit that we get each month. That is $35 and that includes shipping, which I like that. I like when shipping's included and not extra. So this is what it's going to look like. Let's see what we get. So we get the standard 10 cards, 10 envelopes, the adhesive, foam dots. These are the standards. Let's see what else is the standard. I could have sworn I got this kit already. And sequins. Maybe because I watched it all online that I've seen it so many times. The gray, we get a gray textured, a copper foil, a white, and another white, a like mint, a vanilla, and a black cardstock. So that's that one. And then we get let's see, this is the stamp. How cute. It's like a bear. He's dancing. Stay wild. It says a day without a friend is like a pot without a single drop of honey left inside. Oh, isn't that sweet? So that's the stamp set. And I could have sworn I got this card kit already. Huh. How funny. I don't know what's making me think that. Do you guys know? Did we get something similar last month with the I think my mind is just all over the place, you guys. I can never remember stuff. I love frames. I absolutely adore frames. The more we get, the happier I am, because I do so much with that when it comes to embellishment clusters. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh, cute. So I don't know, guys. Why is it so similar in my head? I don't know. But I have all my kits over there. The butterflies are gorgeous. I love the butterflies. They are so pretty. Oh, so pretty. And let's see. We get the, that's Bus. We get the paper pad. It says Stay Wild. Let me scooch it in. Let me do that. Let's close your eyes. Okay. And I believe we get like 2 or 3 of the same pattern. Very nice though. I like the colors. Okay, and then it repeats. And we get 2. 2 of the same. Okay, so 2 of the same. And we get the dies. Here's the dies. Okay, this feels very familiar. It really does. I'm going to pause the video. Hold on. Okay, so I could not find the kit, so this must be new. It must be because I may have watched so many videos of an unboxing or something, because it just seems so odd. I'm like confusing myself, which is so easy for me to do. So let's see what we get. We get 2 of everything, which I love. I love how many you get of the embellishments, because you know, I can use them on my regular tan, my Project Life, or I can make embellishment clusters and not worry about not having using one and then not having any more. So I love that. Brave, fearless. Look at this one. Is that not cute? It's just sitting. Looks like it's just sitting on a wire. Family Man. I have that Family Man football fan from Mamma Mia. And your name is Harry. How funny. Okay, so anyways, these are all the embellishment clusters. And that's Bus. Smile. I love the butterflies. Butterflies are gorgeous. I like all the sentiments too. And the camera. So awesome. Okay, so let's get to the dies. And the dies, we get a banner, the flowers, leaves. For 35 bucks, I think this is a really good deal. I mean, you get all of this for 35, and I like that. So, pretty cool. Okay, so that's that one. Now, I get the small die of the month from Spellbinders also. And let's see what this month was. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. This is $12.50, and this is free shipping. And look at, it's a moped. That is worth $12.50, and that's with shipping. So, wow, so you get all of that for $12.50. So you do get the balloons. You get the balloons. Yep, balloons. And the sea and all that. Oh my gosh, that is just too darn adorable. Oh, I love this. Okay, I love this. That one's awesome. So anyways, okay guys, that's the small die of the month and the card kit of the month for May. So we'll see what we get next month. Alright guys, talk to y'all later. Bye.